A star-studded studio life is calling out your name. At Phoenix Studios Coventry, the ultimate blend of privacy, convenience, and independence. Take your pick from the boutique selection of newly refurbished accessible studio apartments, offering unparalleled privacy, where each unit is fully furnished and opens up to a plush double bed, central heating, and ensuite shower room. What's more, cook delectable meals in the fully equipped kitchenette and say goodbye to daily laundry hassles with the in-house washing machine and tumble dryer. But the absolute cherry on top is the inclusion of utility bills in the rent, saving you a big chunk of money. By conveniently placing you just 5-minute drive from Coventry University and a 15-minute bus ride from City College Coventry, Phoenix Studios is sure to upgrade your student life like never before. On weekends, head to Rose and Crown and Quidditch Inn Pub to enjoy a sundowner or two with pals. Or visit Coventry Music Museum or Herbert Art Gallery and Museum in daylight to have a truly enchanting time. Also, with various bus stops and train stations nearby, you'll always make it in time while saving some extra pennies. So, if you're ready to unravel the charm of Coventry like never before, head straight to amberstudent.com to seize the stay of a lifetime at Phoenix Studios, the best of its lot.